in this example, we're going to be using the properties of logs in order to expand this expression. So the first thing I noticed for log base 20 of m over n to the 5th p is that the argument has division. So we're going to be using the quotient property to begin with that says if you're dividing, you can separate as subtraction. So the numerator, everything in the numerator is going to go in the first log, and then everything in the denominator is going to be located in the second log. So I would have log base 20 of m minus log base 20 of n to the 5th times p. So looking at my second log, I noticed that the argument has two parts, the n to the 5th and then the p, and that's being multiplied together. So whenever you have multiplication, we're going to be looking at the product property. So if you're multiplying terms inside the argument, you can expand as addition. So the first log is going to stay the same, but the second one becomes log base 20 of n to the 5th. And there's a minus sign in front of this log. When you have a minus sign in front of the log, you're actually going to be subtracting both of these. So log base 20 of n to the 5th plus log base 20 of p. And again, I used a plus sign here because the rule says you add them together. So the last part that I see here is that I have an argument with an exponent, and the power rule says if you have an exponent here, you could swing it to the front. So first log stays the same, log base 20 of m minus, so this is going to swing to the front, so it's 5 log base 20 n plus log base 20 p. And if you want to distribute that negative in the very end, you can. So log base 20 m minus 5 log base 20 n minus log base 20 p. And if you look at your answer, anything that has a plus sign in the front of the log should be located in the numerator. So m should be located in the numerator of the original expression, and it is. Anything with a minus sign in front of the log should be located in the denominator. So the n is located in the denominator and p of the original expression. So that's how you could check your work.